Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to avoid scams while using CEX.io. Crypto platforms like CEX.io are secure, but scammers often target users instead of the platform itself. Most crypto scams happen through the fake messages, phishing links, impersonating and social engineering, and not through the exchange itself. First, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down CEX.io and enter it. Make sure to log into your account and never give your password, two-factor authentication code, email verification code, and CEX.io will never ask for these. And avoid fake websites. Scammers often create fake CEX.io pages. Always check correct website, look for the spelling errors, and always check which is the official CEX.io domain. And be careful with emails and messages as well. And never send crypto to strangers. No legit company will ask you to send crypto to verify your account, and be careful. And also enable strong security. In order to do that, go to your profile like in the top and go to the security right here, and from here you can also authenticate with the app. You can click enable here to authenticate and enable the two-factor authentication, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help on how to avoid scams while using CEX.io. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.